New developments tonight surrounding the rise in West Nile virus cases in Maricopa County. Another person now dying of the disease, the second this season. And new at 10, our Nicole Grigg speaking with one man who just tested positive yesterday. She's also pushing the county for answers on what's being done to keep mosquitoes at bay.
I think I remember the night that it happened.
From his rehabilitation center, Darren Longo recalling mosquitoes near his West Valley home. Now he's sharing his West Nile diagnosis with us and what the virus is doing to his body.
I have a hard time completing sentences sometimes now because I can't think of the right word or, I can't think of how I wanted to put across what I'm trying to say.
Darren's family actually reaching out to us after seeing a similar story Thursday night.
We're gonna rock. Let's do 3 rocks, and on the 3rd rock, let's stand together, okay?
That's Gary Bushko, who's been left paralyzed from the virus. Both men living in the Peoria area, and both with similar symptoms in the beginning.
1, 2, 3.
Gary's wife sharing an update with us Friday that he was placed back in the ICU. Now, there's a lot of questions on what's being done to treat the mosquitoes. Maricopa County, they do use a fogging truck to try to control the population, but they do not try to treat mosquitoes by air. Now, I asked the county, why do they not try to control from above when there are inaccessible areas like deserts and washes near homes? In a statement, Maricopa County Environmental Services says back in 2004, Maricopa County considered aerial spraying, but public input stopped them from moving forward. Quote, people were concerned about issues such as chemical sensitivity and notification. Based on the input, Vector Control decided to use truck-mounted and handheld mosquito foggers.
We do it between the hours of midnight and 5, so a lot of people don't even know. We switched to electric foggers, so people don't even hear them anymore. We have a newer chemical, so you don't smell it.
We want to make people aware of these symptoms because they came on so rapidly.
Darren's sister, who is by his side, hopes sharing their story will lead to help.
Now we're on the other end trying to find what treatment and trying to find if there's anything out there, resources for us.
Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.
And as we head into this holiday weekend, with more people heading outside, remember the 4 Ds of West Nile protection. Try to stay indoors during dusk and dawn. This is when affected mosquitoes are most active. Also, try to dress in long sleeves and long pants when you can. And then there's DEET. That's the key ingredient to look for in your insect repellent. And be sure to drain any standing water in your backyard.